Do you use psychometric profiling tools in your business? An incredible amount of information from very short exercises can be attained by using good psychometric profiling tools. The one we recommend is Extended DISC. There's a myriad of them. There's Myers-Briggs DISC, Extended DISC, there's Belbin, there's lots of them all around the planet. They're all based on Carl Jung's 4-quadrant model that he created in the 1940s. Here, let's just draw a cross on a piece of paper. Just draw this cross on a piece of paper. And I want to ask you a couple of questions. Put your pen in the middle of the crosshairs. Now, when you meet someone for the first time, do you tend to do most of the talking or do you tend to do most of the listening? If you tend to do most of the talking, please track your pen out toward talking. If you tend to do most of the listening, please track your pen out toward listening. Now, staying either side of that vertical axis, so don't cross back over the axis, stay whichever side you are on. At work, what do you care more about? Is it getting the task done at all costs, in which case track up? Or is it making sure your people are happy, in which case track down? And you will now find yourself sitting in one of those 4 quadrants. Now, DISC, as you can see here, is an acronym. It stands for Dominance, Influence, Steadiness and Compliance. And this is the primary quadrant where you reside. Now, if you do one of these assessments, it takes about 10 minutes. It'll write a 22-page book on you. And it's remarkably accurate. You'll read it and you'll go, how does it tell that from that? What I've given you now is just a very basic insight, but if you've, particularly those that found that a little easier to get yourself in that primary quadrant where you reside, here are some of your positive qualities. Recognise a few of these? Let's make this a little more entertaining. Now, here are some of your default behaviours under stress. And I just asked you 2 questions. So I highly encourage you to use simple psychometric profiling tools so you can determine fit for roles and also fit within a team.